Welcome to Richard Suttmeyer's 4 in 4. 4 blips on my radar screen presented in 4 minutes or less. Today is Tech Tuesday, and my primary focus is technology stocks. My first blip tracks my weekly profiles for Apple and Google. Apple tried to get above my semi-annual pivot at 130.49 last week, but failed just above that key level twice. My annual value level is 112.37 with the 5-week modified moving average at 148.15. Apple is rated a hold according to Value Engine with fair value at 170.31, which makes the stock technically negative, but 26.8% undervalued according to Value Engine. Google is trading between its August 2007 low at 480.46 and its 200-day simple moving average at 573.57. Note that Google's fair value took another hit last week to 655.80 from 666.90 and from 725.25 2 weeks ago. Google is technically negative, but is 19.2% undervalued. My second blip shows that the tech sector remains the cheapest of the 11 sectors I track. Back on January 23rd, technology was 29.5% undervalued, but today it's 22.8% undervalued. The yield on the 30-year bond is the main culprit behind the loss of relative valuation. The yield on the 30-year bond is trading at 4 5/8 this morning versus 4 1/8 back on January 23rd. The 50 basis point rise in bond yields is significant given the 125 basis points decline in the federal funds rate. As we look to the daily chart, we see that the 30-year yield is above its 50-day simple moving average at 4.44 on a trend that should take it higher to its 200-day simple moving average at 4.77. My third blip profiles the weekly charts for the tech-heavy NASDAQ and Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, the SOX. The weekly chart for the NASDAQ is negative with a declining 12/3/3 weekly slow stochastic reading, which will become oversold given weekly closes below the 5-week modified moving average at 24.24. The key support for the NASDAQ is a 200-week simple moving average at 22.52. We have not had a weekly close below the 200-week since mid-August 2004. The SOX ended last week 23% below its 200-week simple moving average at 453.48, and its 12/3/3 weekly slow stochastic reading is oversold. If technology is going to lead a rally, the bargains fundamentally are in the semiconductor group. There are 12 tech stocks in the sector report model portfolio, including semiconductor giants Intel and Texas Instruments. My fourth blip profiles tech networking giant Cisco Systems, which is also in the sector report model portfolio. Cisco is the only stock in the Tech Stock 20 that I profile for sector report subscribers each week, and that saw its fair value rise during the week. Improved 12-month trailing EPS and forward 12-month EPS estimates offset the rise in yield on the 30-year bond. Cisco's fair value is up slightly to 30.01 from 29.76. My semi-annual value level is 22.01 with my semi-annual risky level at 28.82. Send your comments and questions to support@rightsideadvisors.com. That's today's 4 in 4. Enjoy your day.